Love and light. I've been receiving some messages and I've been journaling. Some of them I've been told it's not time to let them out yet. But one that I received today feels like this is the perfect time for it too. And this is called the fall. The matriarchy wasn't perfect. However, it was more peaceful. The two first worked together. The patriarchy wanted more power. They viewed diplomacy as a weakness that would empower them. Kind of like the energy we're living in right now. When the matriarchy stood up, they were shamed, guilted, and cast out. This brought in the Lilith energy. The matriarchy chose to create their own space. The patriarchy created Eve. The patriarchy became powerful. However, fear of people returning to the old ways meant that women of power must be erased. We come into the Essene energy, which was the proof of their fear, and that is why they had to be erased. They showed that the two energies can blend together and work. So their energy had to go underground because it can't be erased, just has to find a different outlet. So here we are continuing the fall. The patriarchy has used up their energy. That which was hidden has come forward, not to reclaim their power, to grow and develop the energies harmoniously. The Essenes started the process and then hid it to germinate. It is time. Lilith liberates Eve. Together with the children of Eve, the energies will unite in harmony and become one, which is as it was meant to be. The next cycle will be embracing new energies in harmony. That is the next battle. We have to finish this one and learn from it before we can prepare for the next one. And that's where we're at now in this energy. We have to embrace both. We have to blend the energies. It's together that we're strong. And once we're in harmony, we'll be in a position for the next battle, which will be in being open to possibilities. And that'll be when we have what you may call visitors, the beings. They're not really visitors. We call them that because we've claimed the space, but they're here already. So I just call them the beings. So now it's time for self-care. This energy is already taking its fall. We have to be prepared and strong to focus on what we want to become. And that's where our energy has to go. So be careful, self-care. If you don't do it, the universe will slow you down. I'm guilty of that. So, love and light. Take care, everybody. Thank you.